Namaste student. Today we have to continue with our chapter number first, power sharing in civics, class 10th. In a previous session we discussed about the important term related to power sharing, in which we find out the case studies about two important nations, Sri Lanka and Belgium. Along with that we also discuss about the ethnic composition of those two important nations, Sri Lanka and Belgium. And in that ethnic composition we can find out the complicated situation over there, and the dispute, or we can say conflict, which was occurred in those two important nations is also based in the ethnic composition. And next we discuss about, in our next second topic, we discuss about the policies which were adopted by these two important, Sri Lanka and Belgium. The Belgium adopted the policy of accommodation and Sri Lanka adopted the policy of majoritarianism. Here we can observe that in Sri Lanka, the majoritarianism policy cannot be introduced strongly, and it gives a negative result of power sharing, or we can say in other word, the negative implementation of power sharing was there because of that majoritarianism policy. Second thing, in a Belgium, according to the accommodation policy, Belgium received a permanent, suitable and successful result or solution of its problem or dispute. Here today we have to discuss about the forms of power sharing. There are four types of power sharing practiced in entire democratic nations. I am repeating, entire democratic nations, because only in democratic nation we can find power sharing system, not in non-democratic nations. So let's see about the forms of power sharing. First, among different organs of government. Among different organs of government, power shared by the different organs of government. In this case we have to take example of our own nation, India. We are having three important organizations or organs. First one is legislature, executive and judiciary. All three organs of our Indian subcontinent having a equal power, and their powers are mentioned in a constitution. It means they all are work according to the constitution, and they are working according to the equality. So this term, the power sharing by the organs, is also known as the horizontal distribution of power sharing. Horizontal distribution of power sharing, in which we can find out each and every organ of a nation receive equal power, and each and every organs of a nation checked each and every work answerable to each and every organ. So that system where we can find the organs are working equally or in a horizontal way, that system is also being considered the system of checks and balance. System of checks and balance. Here the second one, power sharing among government at a different levels. In this type of power sharing we can find out the different level of government find in a nation. In this case also we can take our India's example. We are having three level of government. First is central government, then state, and then the local self-government. And each level of government having their own power, having their own jurisdictions. And in this type of power sharing we can find out the central government, or the government which is found in any nation having the place of central government, that receive the superior power in nation. Among that, after that, the remaining governments having their powers. So by that reason, this type of power sharing is also known as vertical distribution of power sharing. Vertical distribution of power sharing. Now in the third type of power sharing, power shared among different social groups. Power shared among different social groups. In this type of power sharing we can find out the social groups which are found in a nation, they were also receiving power through the constitution, and that constitution is very helpful to maintain their dignity, to maintain their respect, and maintain their status in their society. On the basis of that, these social groups are working. They introduce their power by representing them strongly in front of government, demanding for their welfare, demanding for fulfilling needs. Okay? So in this case we can take the example of community government of Belgium. Community government of Belgium is the bestest example of social group, and through that community government we can find the people of Belgium receive a permanent solution or stable solution. So by that example we can consider the power also being shared by the social groups, and these social groups are religious, linguistic, both types. Okay? Now in the last form, among political parties and pressure group. Among political parties and pressure group. In this type of power sharing we can find out the importance of political parties which are present in any nation. In this case also we can take our India's example. We are having 750 political parties. 750 political parties, and each political party having a strong power which are present provided by constitution, and that particular system of power sharing through the political party is being shown through the pattern of coalition government, in which we can find more than 2 political party receive majority and form government. So in that majority part we can find out national and regional, both type of political parties are there, and that particular system, coalition government, shows the power and the strength of political parties. Second, through the pressure group, power sharing through the pressure group. So many pressure groups are working in nation or in a democratic nation. They were pressurized government to fulfill their needs, to fulfill their demands, and by that they introduce themselves very strongly in a society. These pressure groups are also having a strength or receiving a power through the constitution, and by using that power they are represent them strongly in a society, like the trade unions. Second, doctors union, lawyer unions. These are some important pressure groups. They are working for their section's betterment, and for achieving that betterment they introduce their power in front of higher authorities. So these 4 types of power sharing we can discuss in this module, and remaining part of this important chapter, power sharing, we can discuss in a next session. So thank you.